Yeah.
Global Namaste world. A lovely Hariom to all the beautiful souls across the world. My name is Simran Ahuja and I'm truly elated here to celebrate life with you. To celebrate the 11th International Day of Yoga with a magnificent, soulful lady who always believes in spreading joy, peace, harmony to the world. I'm truly amazed to meet her. At the same time, she's the one who's going to take us all across and show us the internal way within. Meet the very beauteous, soulful Anu Malhotra.
Good morning. My name is Anu Malhotra and I am President of Mindful Meditation Yoga. I'm here at the Matrix Club in Naperville to celebrate the largest International Yoga Day celebration of Chicagoland, and our organization is bringing communities, organizations and hearts together. They are all joining hands to celebrate International Yoga Day in a very big way. We have over 1,200 people registered. As you see, the ambience is great. And we have a team of 70 volunteers. So we have a very disciplined, organized way of seating. As you see, we are giving options to people. So this celebration is for all. It is going to be a family yoga day where families will come and leave feeling lighter and brighter. So everyone's very excited. We've been planning for this for a very long time, and the day has come, and we are only minutes away from starting our celebration. Thank you.
Good morning. This is Sunil Shah, Chairman with Federation of Indian Association. Today, we are here at the Matrix Club in Naperville, celebrating 11th International Yoga Day. On behalf of my association, FIA Chicago and Mindful Meditation, we are pleased to invite today a very large gathering from all over Chicago here at Naperville. Yoga, as we all know, is I would say, fountain of youth. Yoga is something I would say is an exercise without any equipment. Yoga is something which syncs your mind, body, and soul. So we are thankful to all those who practice yoga, who promotes yoga for the well-being for the humankind. And also, I would like to thank our President Anu Malhotra, and we are so thankful to her for doing this great work, a human service for the humankind. Thank you.
Hello guys, my name is Hitesh Gandhi. I am the past president of FIA, and today we are gathering here for yoga event 2025. This is our 5th year. We are doing it with the mindful yoga session, and I would like to thank our chairman Sunil Shah and President Anu Malhotra ji, who work tirelessly hard for last 1 month to put it together, and this is going to be a very good event, yoga event by FIA. Thank you very much, and welcome all of you guys. Thank you.
have this group song, we are going to have a solo song. And the singer is Anil Jha. Anil is going to sing a very famous song, originally sung by KK. And Kailash Kher. I was thinking of Anupam Kher. No, Kailash Kher. Anupam Kher doesn't sing. Anil is outdoors.
this very beautiful divinity, the feeling of being one this morning. Thank you so much. A Roman Namaste with folded hands to all the beautiful souls who joined us here today. Ladies and gentlemen, in the gracious presence of Your Excellency, our distinguished dignitaries, ask for more. And to the world who's becoming one today to celebrate our very prestigious 11th International Day of Yoga. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my utmost honor to introduce an extraordinary individual whose life embodies the very essence of an International Day of Yoga. In this beautiful world of perceptions, where we always believe in getting into the widest of perception, here we have a dynamic leader who has won hearts across the world with her generosity, her beautiful divine feeling, and to spread yoga to the world with her non-profit organization known as Mindful Meditation Yoga. Ladies and gentlemen, may we please put our hands together. The very soulful lady, not just once, but several times, as I'm going to introduce her in a very short way. I could pen down more than 100 books on her life and her great philanthropic work, but she's been doing for years together, and since 2 decades, of course, the great holistic healing. Ladies and gentlemen, a former healthcare executive, she has held esteemed positions such as the Director of United Healthcare, Vice President of Aetna US Healthcare, and the President of the American Physical Rehab Clinic. Ladies and gentlemen, and the journey just doesn't stop there. She transitioned from the corporate boardrooms to who goes ahead and makes everyone realize that we're all spiritual souls going through this human experience. The name itself speaks and says it all. And with this, Mindful Meditation Yoga, where she has one-on-one sessions, group sessions, she believes in making this world a better place to live in. A true healer in a perfect sense, the lady who has that wondrous smile on her face and the very divine shine with her. Please join me as you sit back tall and give a huge round of applause for the one and only soulful Anu Malhotra. What a beautiful figure to the living angel, a yoga spiritual guru, a guide to our of all age groups, right from children to all the generations. She's been an inspiration to 4 generations put together. Ladies and gentlemen, along with her, please also put your hands together for this very amazing place matrix that we are at for Mr. Madan Kulkarni ji, please.
Thank you, Simran, for a lovely introduction. I am now going to first hand the microphone to Mr. Madan Kulkarni. He is the founder of the Matrix Club, and it is only with his support we are able to do this grand celebration today. So let's all give him a big round of applause. Thank you. Here's Madan.
Good morning and a very warm welcome to all of you on behalf of Mindful Meditation, all her volunteers and everybody from the Matrix Club. Indeed, it's a great honor. Matrix Club is kind of an example of that. We have had different cultures, different people coming to do this, and this particular event, in fact, is very symbolic of it. So once again, Anuji, a wonderful job. It's not about complimenting you, but it's just about creating this gathering, getting all these people together, the lovely music which we just heard, and all the dignitaries and all of you. So once again, welcome, and we are very, very privileged to have you here.
Thank you so much, Madanji. And I am really grateful for his support for providing this venue and helping us create my dream into a physical reality. So thank you. Namaste and good morning to everyone. How's everyone doing? I am truly honored and overjoyed to welcome each and every one of you to this magnificent gathering, the largest International Yoga Day celebration of Chicagoland. We are thrilled to have you here to embrace the spirit of yoga. I extend special welcome to our very dear Council General Somnath Ghosh, Council Sanjeev Pail, Congressman Bill Foster, Councilman Ashfaq Hussain Syed, Dr. Dalip Shah, President of Indian American Medical Association, Dr. Satish Khatula, President of American Physicians of Indian Origin, Dr. Meher Medavaram, President-elect of Indian American Medical Association, Dr. Suresh Reddy, Trustee of Oak Brook and past API President, Ram Tyagi, Chief Information Officer, City of Aurora, Dr. Vijay Prabhakar, Chairman Global Strategic Alliance, Mr. Sunil Shah, FIA Chairman, Mr. Neil Khote, he's running for Congressman for the 8th District, and community leaders of Chicagoland. Thank you very much for taking the time out of your busy schedules and marking this celebration with your vibrant presence.
Let us rise together and make this day a glorious tribute to well-being. Friends, about 2 billion people are practicing yoga worldwide, which accounts for 1/3 of our planet's population. And this confirms how important yogic way of living is for our physical, emotional, mental and spiritual life. Unity in diversity. Our International Yoga Day celebration is a shining example of how yoga brings together people, organizations, communities and hearts. This event is sponsored by Mindful Meditation Yoga, FIA Chicago, GSA Global Eye Magazine, American Multi-Ethnic Commission USA, United Punjabis of America, Indian American Medical Association, American Association of Physicians of Indian Origin, Dr. Prakash Shah and Ketri Shah, Dr. Ashok Mehta, Skin Institute, and Dr. Nitin Malhotra and Dr. Neil Malhotra of Expert Pain Physicians Group in collaboration with Council Journal of India Chicago as sponsors of this glorious celebration of unity and strength. As I look out at this incredible sea of over 1,000 people registered, my heart is filled with gratitude and awe. What a powerful reminder that yoga unites across generations, communities, organizations, and hearts. There are many other organizations participating in this event today. I extend my special thanks to Seva International, Sant Nirankari Mission, Arya Samaj of Chicagoland, A3N Media, Hum, Aina, Hindu Satsang, Hariom Temple and Hindu Swayam Sangh. And last but not least, I am profoundly grateful to all my Yoga Ambassadors team for their exceptional support in bringing our International Yoga Day celebration to life. Your unwavering dedication and tireless efforts have not only made this event possible, but have also inspired us all to strive for greater unity and well-being. So Yoga Ambassadors, please rise. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a big round of applause as they are the backbone of this mega event. Thank you. And I would also like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the students of Seva International, Aparna Rao and Nags Rajaram for their incredible support with our International Yoga Day celebration. So with that, I am going to request FIA Chairman Sunil Shah and his Dr. Vijay Prabhakarji here. So maybe, okay. So Sunilji, please come, and then our Congressman, I know Congressman Bill Foster has to leave in few seconds, and I am very thankful to you for joining us and taking the time out of your precious schedule. Yes, please do join us on the dais. Request Sunil Shah, Chairman of FIA, to please address the gathering briefly. Mr. Sunil Shah.
Thanks, Anu, for the kind introduction. Namaste, good morning. Honorable Consul General Somnath Ghoshji, Consul Sanjeev Pal, Congressman Bill Foster, distinguished guests, and dear friends. Today what we witness here is Yoga Sangam, Yoga Milan, and thereby Yoga Darshan in each and every one of you. On behalf of Mindful Meditation Yoga and Federation of Indian Association, Chicago, we are honored to extend a very warm welcome to all of you. This marks the 5th year of joint celebration of International Day of Yoga by FIS Chicago and Mindful Meditation Yoga. This grand celebration we are doing in collaboration with Global Eye Magazine, AMEC, United Punjabis of America, Indian Medical Association, API, and Consulate General of India, Chicago. We thank our Consul General Somnath Ghoshji for his support. This year, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will lead the nation in the observation of International Day of Yoga 2025 from Visakhapatnam. The theme for this year's yoga is for one earth, one health. This year's observation highlights yoga's vital role in promoting holistic well-being and environmental harmony. We all know yoga improves flexibility, strength, balance, and posture. We all know yoga's ability to reduce stress, anxiety, and promote mental clarity and focus. We all know yoga is more than a physical exercise. It's a way to discover sense of oneness with yourself. And also we know that yoga promotes peace and understanding, transcending culture and social barriers. But yet, we ignore practicing yoga. Today, I would highly encourage you all, of course, including myself, to practice it in our daily life. Every Monday, our FIA President, Anu Malhotra, teaches and preaches yoga. Let's take advantage of it. This has benefited countless people. Anu, you are doing an outstanding yeoman service to the humankind, and we truly appreciate it. Also, we are proud of you doing this fantastic work as our FIA President. On August 8th, our FIA is celebrating our country India's Independence Day. That too at the same venue where we are sitting right now, the Matrix Club. We welcome you all to join on this auspicious event. In conclusion, we'll say, yoga is the journey of the self, through the self, to the self. Thank you.
Thank you, Sunilji, for your empowering message. I am so honored to have Consul General Somnath Ghoshji among us. I would like to invite him also to join me on the dais. And let's all give him a big round of applause. And now I am going to hand the microphone to our Congressman Bill Foster to give his brief address.
Well, thank you all. For those of you who do not know me, I am Congressman Bill Foster. I am a scientist, I'm a businessman, and it's my honor to represent this area as part of the 11th District of Illinois in the House of Representatives of the United States. And when you open up your cell phone and you look at the chaos in the world around you, you see the wars, the threats of war, the violence, political violence, everything that makes you worry about the future of humanity. It is wonderful to also see events like this, where you stop, you take a deep breath, and you remember that the world is actually getting better. India is leading the world in bringing people out of extreme poverty, a historic achievement that will never be reversed, and that is humanity improving itself. But the improvement of humanity comes not only from the external world, but from the peace inside every one of us. So I just want to thank you for coming together on International Yoga Day to celebrate that and to strengthen the inner peace among all of us and our shared humanity. So thank you all.
Please come. Thank you so much, Congressman Will Foster, for taking the time out of your busy schedule and gracing this International Yoga Day celebration with your glorious presence. We are very appreciative of your time. And now I am going to request our very dear Council General Somnath Ghoshji to please give a message of International Yoga Day to the gathering. Here is Council General.
Namaste, good morning, Dr. Bill Foster, Sunilji, Anuji, all the elected officials and heads of important organizations like API, GSA, all the sponsors, congratulations on the 11th International Yoga Day. It is also our 10th anniversary. After the United Nations adopted 21st June as the International Yoga Day. It's wonderful to see you in this festivity, in this celebration. It's a wonderful place, by the way. It's Matrix Club. It's a beautiful place. I have attended many yoga days in different places. This is one of the most beautiful. And of course, as we celebrate those from India, all the friends of India, they are also today sad because what happened a couple of days ago in India. 241 passengers, crew, and some people on the ground, they lost their life. Our thoughts, our prayers are with them, our condolences are with them. Today is I can say, we are opening the International Yoga Day for this season with this Matrix Club program of the FIA and Mindful Yoga. Thank you for taking this initiative. And you may be aware that not only in Illinois or in Chicago, in all Midwest states, the Indian community and the friends of India, they are coming together on this International Yoga Day. And the theme for this year is One Earth, One Health. And that is again what Dr. Foster is talking about, bringing people together, bringing people at peace with each other and with themselves. That's what yoga does, as you know, those who know Indian languages. The very word yoga means connection, yoga, connecting. So here we are connecting people in peace, in love, in celebration, and we are talking of one health, one earth. So all the people on earth, let them be healthy, as for all time in India we prayed every morning that all people, all living beings be in health, be at peace with each other, at peace with themselves, and we as individuals be in harmony with ourselves and also with the nature. with that prayer, I also wanted to remind you that next Saturday, 21st June, the International Day of Yoga, we are having our formal International Yoga Day celebration at the Navy Pier. Each of you are most welcome to join us there. It's a beautiful location. Like last 2 years, we hope that we'll get a great weather on that day and we'll celebrate together the International Yoga Day. Thank you so much. Have a great day, have a great celebration.
Thank you very much, Council General Somnath Ghoshji, for your very inspiring message. We are very appreciative that you always support us with our community events like that. And your presence inspires us, and your presence adds beauty, grace to every event that we host. So thank you. I would now like to, I'm feeling overjoyed that with us we have our First Lady Linda Worley here. I would like to request her to please join us here. And we are now we are only 5 minutes away from our yoga practice, but we are now going to do lamp lighting. So let us inaugurate this morning in a very traditional way, and I am going to call upon people who are going to be participating in this ceremony. So I'll just use the podium. All right, so I sincerely hope and pray that the lighting of lamp can dispel the dark forces of pain, suffering and negativity and spread the light of greater peace, joy and vibrant health in the humanity. I would like to invite on the stage Naperville Councilman Ashfaq Hussain Syed, Dr. Vasili Chakka, Neil Khort, the rising voice in public service and beacon of leadership. Neil is running for the congressman for 8th district. Dr. Dalip Shah, President IAMA, Indian American Medical Association. Dr. Meher Medhavaram, President-elect IAMA 2026 and Vice President of API. Dr. Satish Gatula, President of API. I am so grateful to him for flying and coming to this celebration. Dr. Satish Gatula, please join us. Dr. Suresh Reddy, Trustee Oak Brook Village and past API President. Council Sanjeev Kumar Phalji, please join us. Dr. Prakash Shah and Ketri Shah are proud sponsors. Doctors Nitin Malhotra and Neil Malhotra from Expert Pain Physicians as our proud sponsors. Brij Sharma, Chairman, United Punjabis of America and also a proud sponsor. Mr. Atul Wahi, President, United Punjabis of America, proud sponsor. Dr. Ashok Mehta, proud sponsor. Dr. Jyoti Kalra, Head of Chicago Chapter of Sant Nirankari Mission, USA. Mr. Harish Golasani, Founder, National India Hub. Madan Kulkarni, Founder, Matrix Club. Ram Tyagi, Chief Information Officer of City of Aurora. Mr. Ajit Singh, President, Indian American Business Council, Chicago. Vinita Gulabani, past President, FIA. Pratibha Jared, past President, FIA. Hitesh Gandhi, past President, FIA. Vinod Janamalu, Managing Partner at More of India. Dr. Ajit Pant, Inspirational Director, Mindful Meditation Yoga. And I like to also invite my sister Renu Sharma. She is great contributor in who I am, and she's also yogini walking on this path. Renu Sharma, please join us. And Simran Ahuja, celebrity anchor all the way from Mumbai. Mr. Nag Jaiswal.
So let us all light this lamp with a prayer coming from our heart to dispel the darkness of sufferings and spread the joy and peace to uplift humanity.
So very precious moment for us. The beginning of the miracle at our 11th International Yoga Day celebration. And let us also simultaneously have our yoga prayer. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. With folded hands, Hari Om. To Your Excellency, our Honorable Consulate General of India in Chicago, our distinguished dignitaries, and to all the beautiful souls. Our most precious host, the one and only Anu Malhotra ji, and to all our distinguished dignitaries, please join us as we all believe in spreading light, taking us from ignorance towards knowledge. The lamp and the light denotes that we are all spiritual souls going through this lovely human experience. A wow feeling indeed. Thank you. Hari Om.
Hello sir, please look at here. Hello. Anuji.
Hello. Okay. All the microphones working? Hello. Check. Check.
Yoga Anushasanam Om Hatha Yoga Anushasanam Om Saso Vishware Kogo Vitrupadaye Diklaye Garasita Hatha Yoga Anushasanam Yoga दुनिया में प्रसिद्ध जो अपने आप सिद्ध जो रखना इससे रास्ता हरि योगा अनुशासन हरि योगा योगा रंग हो योगा रंग हो योगा रंग हो Yoga
You work really hard, so need you to please clap. Thank you. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू। ये सारे गाने योगा गीत आप लोगों को पसंद आए तो एक बार फिर से ताली हो जाए।
Good morning, everybody. Thanks for being here on behalf of the Mindful Meditation Yoga class that we have every Monday in Naperville at her studio. and on behalf of all the yoga ambassadors today that have been voluntarily giving so much of their time for this event. We all want to thank Anuji, the amazing guru, yoga guru of Chicago, the one and only Anuji. Thank you. Thank you for what you do to the community. Thank you very much.
All right. तो आप लोग यहाँ आए, हम लोगों ने गाना किया, योगा किया, ये सब ऊपर वाले की कृपा है, right? So let's sing a bhajan. Okay.
तेरा आपकी कृपा से सब काम हो रहा है। तेरा आपकी कृपा से सब काम हो रहा है। करते हो तुम कन्हैया, मेरा नाम हो रहा है। करते हो तुम कन्हैया, मेरा नाम हो रहा है। तेरा आपकी कृपा से सब काम हो रहा है। पतवार के बिना ही मेरी नाव चल रही है। पतवार के बिना ही मेरी नाव चल रही है। हैरान है ज़माना, मंजिल भी मिल रही है। भी सब
working with us. Thank you. I'm sure you'll know next time when we have an event like that, that will be next year. Mark your calendar.
What an awesome event this was. Did everybody have a good time? Again, not taking too much of time, my name is Dean Kaur. I'm running from Congress of Hillman 8 District. And thank you so much for asking for such a wonderful program. You really energize, deep penetrate your soul. So thank you so much and have a nice day. Thank you.
Thank you everyone. Keep smiling and keep sharing your smiles with the world. We all love you so much and thank you for making this the largest international yoga day of Chicago. Thank you. And please take the shot. Thank you. Dr. Dilip Shah, IAMA President.
Thank you, Anuji. It was a beautiful event, and I'm so glad to be a part of it and helping me next year.